Hello students, this video is for first two exercise of chapter 11 time because these two exercises are coming in your second assessment. Okay, after the assessment we will continue with a previous chapter fraction. Okay, this recall exercise you have to do with yourself. Look at the clock faces and tell the time. You have to tell the time by seeing the clock. The time in this clock is 12 o'clock, in this 2 o'clock because our hand is at 2 and minute hand is pointing to 12. So this is 2 o'clock. This is 2:45 because our hand is between 2 and 3 and minute hand is at 9. 9 means 45 minutes because from one number to another number it takes 5 minutes to cover. Okay, now this minute our hand is between 2 and 3, so time is 2:45. Okay, in second the time is given, you have to draw the minute and hour hand. Okay, now comes to this point, reading time to exact minute. Now we have to read the time to exact minute. I've already told that when minute hand of clock moves from one number to another, it takes 5 minutes. And these 5 minutes are divided into 5 equal parts. These are 5 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? So, when minute hand cover 12 from 12 to 1, it takes 5 minutes. Again, when it covers from 1 to 2, again 5 minutes means 10 minutes. And when minute hand is at this point, after 1, this point means here 5 minutes, this is 6 minutes and this is 7 minutes. Okay, that is how we count the exact minute. Each part, okay, shows 1 minute of this. Now minute hand on this clock shows 18 minutes. The time is 10:18, means 10 past 18. Now the hour hand is between 10 and 11 and minute hand is pointing to this point. At 3, time is, it covers 15 minutes. This is 16, 17 and 18. थर्ड पार्ट ऑफ आफ्टर 3, जो 3 के बाद थर्ड पार्ट है वो 18 मिनट कवर करेगा. यहाँ तक आपके 15 मिनट है, देन 16, 17, 18. ओके, सो दिस इज 10:18. सेकेंड, द मिनट हैंड shows 32 minutes. The time is 4:32. 4:32 because our hand is between 4 and 5, so we will take 4 and minute hand is pointing to second part after 6. At 6, this is 30 minutes, 31, 32. 6 तक 30 minutes हैं, then 31, 32. So time is 4:32. Okay. Exercise 11.1, match the time on the digital watch and the clock. There are two types of clock, digital and digital watch and clock. So we have to match the time in these two clocks. This is 4:12. Now 4:12 is this. Okay. 4 and minute hand is pointing to 12. 10, 11 and 12. ठीक है. 2 तक आपका 10 हो गया है. Then 11, 12. So this is 4:12. So we will match this to this clock. Okay. 11:51. 11:51 is this clock because our hand is between 11 and 12, so 11 and up to 10, this is 50 minutes. Then 51 is this. First part पर 51 हो गया है, so time is 11:51. So this is 11:51. Okay, this is how you have to match. The rest of two C and D do with yourself. B part, draw hands to show the time. The time is given 6:24. We have to draw the minute hand and hour hand. I have drawn the hand. This is hour hand pointing between 6 and 7, and this is minute hand pointing to 24. Up to 4, 20 minutes, then 21, 22, 23 and 24. This point, okay, यहाँ तक 24 हो गया. So 6, 24. That's rest of the 3 you have to do with yourself, okay. AM and PM. Antemeridian and post-meridian. The time from 12 midnight to 12 noon is denoted by AM. Okay? रात 12 बजे से दोपहर 12 बजे तक का जो टाइम है is denoted by AM. Okay? From midnight to noon. And the time from 12 noon to 12 midnight, दोपहर 12 से रात 12 बजे तक जो टाइम है is denoted by PM. Okay? This is the time we denote by AM and PM. 6 PM refers to 6 o'clock in the evening, okay, and 6 AM will refer to 6 o'clock in the morning. But when it is exactly 12 o'clock, we do not write AM or PM, okay. जब exactly 12 o'clock होता है ना हम AM लिखते हैं और ना ही PM. We write 12 noon और 12 midnight. अगर वो दिन के 12 बजे हैं तो we will write 12 noon, और अगर रात के 12 बजे हैं तो 12 midnight. Okay? A day begins at 12 midnight and ends at 12 midnight on the following day. कोई भी नया दिन 12 midnight रात के 12 बजे से स्टार्ट होता है. ओके, एंड इट एंड ऑल्सो एंड एट द midnight. वो रात को 12 बजे ही एंड होता है. ओके. Exercise 11.2. Fill in AM or PM according to the activities shown. Sun rising 5 o'clock. So it should be in the morning. So we will write AM. The sunrise in the morning. So we will write AM. 5 AM. Children are going to school. So this must be AM of morning. Okay. बच्चे स्कूल सुबह में जाते हैं. So 8 AM. This boy is brushing. So 6 AM. Now this boy is sleeping. So it should be PM. 10:30 PM. B part, write in the short form. First, 1:35 in the afternoon. Means afternoon we have to write PM. 1:35 PM. 9:45 at night. So we will write 9:45 PM. Because AM starts after 12 midnight. 6:30 in the evening. Again 6:30 PM. Okay. 11:25 in the morning. 11:25 AM. Okay. Now try 5th, 6th and 7 and 8 part. C part. What time will it be? 5 hours after 4:35 AM. आपको टाइम बताना है 4:35 AM के 5 hours बाद कितना टाइम होगा. ओके. सो टाइम विल बी 9:35 AM. 3 hours बिफोर midnight. 12 midnight. अब टाइम है 12 midnight. इससे 3 hours पहले क्या टाइम होगा? Then it must be 9 PM. Because after 9 PM, 3 hours after 9 PM, it must be 12 midnight. So 3 घंटे पहले 12 से क्या होगा टाइम? 9 PM. 50 minutes before 4:55 AM. Okay, this is the morning time for 55 AM. Now before 4:45. subtract 50 from 55 because for 55 this is minute and this is also minute. So when we subtract 50 from 45 we get 4:05 AM. ओके आपको इससे पहले का टाइम बताना है तो ये तो आवर्स है और ये मिनट्स है, तो आपको इससे इतना पीछे जाना है तो आप इसे सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दीजिए 55 minus 50 you will get the time. Okay, now try 4th and 5th part. D part you have to do with yourself. Okay, only these two exercises are coming in your assessment too. Okay, thank you.